Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter relation. Before discussing, let's do Brahmana. Om, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the Cartesian product and some problems. Order pair, equality of order pair. Today we are going to discuss the relation between two sets A and B. Okay. There are many type of relations such as human being relation, animal relation. In human being relation, father son relation, father daughter relation, brother brother relation, sister brother relation, etc. But in mathematics, the relation is from relation from a set to another set, okay, or a set to itself. Let's discuss about the relation from the set A to set B. Definition. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Be two non-empty sets. Then then the relation from set A to set B is subset of A cross B. Subset of A cross B. That is, every subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. Clear? In short form, this is that is we can write also in symbolically. Relation R from A to B is subset of A cross B. Now, the set builder form of the relation is what? Represents some relation from A to B. Here, representation of relation from A to B. That is set builder form, tabular form, okay, diagrammatic form. Some examples of the relation from A to B. Example. Let A is equal to A1, A2, A3 and B is equal to B1, B2. Then what is A cross B? So A cross B is equal to what here? A1, B1, A1, B2, A2, B1, A2, B2, A3, B1, A3, B2. This is Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay. Now, phi. Example 1, that is phi. R1 is equal to phi. R1 is equal to phi. It is a relation from A to B. Since phi is subset of every set, so phi is subset of A cross B. Okay. Number 2, R2 is equal to A1, B1, A3, B2. It is a relation from A to B, from A to B, since R2 is subset of A cross B. Now third one is what? Third one is R3 is equal to A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B1. It is also a relation from A to B. Similarly, dot dot IV R4 is equal to A1, B2, A2, B1, A3, B3. It is not relation. It is not relation from A to B. Clear? Because since this is symbol of, this is therefore, and this symbol is what? This symbol is since. First one is therefore. This is therefore symbol, and this is since symbol. Since. Okay, since. So it is not relation from A to B, since what? Since R4 not subset A cross B. And fourth one is that is fifth one is R5 is equal to A cross B. It is relation from A to B, because or since A cross B is subset of A cross B. So what is the smallest relation from A to B? The smallest relation from A to B is 5, and the largest relation from A to B is what? The largest relation from A to B is A cross B. Clear? The largest relation from A to B is A cross B. Now, smallest relation, some note 1, the smallest relation from A to B is 5. It is called the empty relation or void relation. The largest relation from A to B, the largest relation from A to B is A cross B. It is called the universal relation. The universal relation. Now third one is the two extreme relations. The extreme relation from A to B is phi and A cross B. Number 4, phi is the relation from A to B as well as from B to A. Clear? Now, number of relation from A to B. Number of relations from A to B. Number of relations from A to B. If cardinality of A is equal to M, cardinality of B is equal to n, then number of relations from A to B is number of relation from A to B is equivalent to say the number of elements of the power set of A cross B. So this is equal to what? This is 2 to the power mn. Number 2, number of non-empty relation from A to B. Number of non-empty relation from A to B. This is 2 to the power mn minus 1, excluding phi. Here phi is excluded. Clear? Then number of proper relation from A to B. Number of proper relation from A to B. 2 to the power mn, 2 to the power mn minus 1. Here A cross B is excluded. Here A cross B is excluded. And fourth one is what? The fourth one is number of non-empty proper relation from A to B is equal to 2 to the power mn minus 2. Here phi and A cross B are excluded. Here phi and A cross B are excluded. Clear? Then representation of relation. A representation of relation. Okay. A representation of relation. A representation of relation from A to B. A representation of relation from A to B. Number 1, that is what? Set builder method. Number 2, roster method or tabular method. Roster method or tabular method. Clear? Now this is, and third one is diagrammatic representation of relation from A to B. Let us discuss about set builder method, roster method, diagram method, taking examples. Now what is set? First one is set builder method. Okay. Set builder method. The set builder method of the relation from A to B is R is equal to x comma y such that x belongs to or x comma y belongs to A cross B, or we can say R is equal to x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. This is the set builder method of the relation. Now let's discuss about other two methods, taking examples. Okay. Now let A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, B equal to 2, 3, 4. The relation R from A to B is defined as R is equal to x comma y such that x minus 2y equal to 0. Where x belongs to A and y belongs to B, write the relation in tabular method, represent the relation in diagram method. So, solution is what? Solution A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, B is equal to 2, 3, 4, and R from A to B is x comma y such that x minus 2y is equal to 0. Or we can write what? Y is equal, x is equal to y, 2y is equal to x, or x is equal to what? And that is here x minus 2y is equal to 0. That is 2y is equal to x. That implies y is equal to what? Y is equal to x by 2. Y is equal to x by 2. So, y is equal to x by 2. Put x is equal to 1. This is 1 by 2 not present in this set. So, 1 it is not happen. This is so R is equal to what? Therefore, R is equal to x minus 2y is equal to 0. That is what? Suppose 1, this is 1 by 2 not, that is 3 by 2 not, that is 4 by 2. Okay. So, or we can raise the question is what? X plus 2y is suppose odd. Change the question, x plus 2y is even. Suppose x plus 2y is even, even integer, even, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Change the question please. So, x plus 2y is even. So, put x is equal to 1 here and y equal to 1 plus 4, that is not 1 plus 6 not 1 plus 8 not. Now 3 plus what? 4 not 3, x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, y equal to 3, that is 6 plus 9 not, x is equal to 3, y equal to what? 4 not, x is equal to what? X plus y is even. Okay, not x plus y, x plus 2, x plus y is even. X is equal to 1, y equal to 2 not even, x is equal to 1, y equal to 3, 1 plus 3 4 even. So 1 3 odd even 1 3 correct. Now 3 2 not even, 3 3 4 not happens here, 4 2 4 4 5 plus 3 8 5 3. This is tabular bit number 1. This is rows tabular method. This is tabular method. Number 1 is. Now number 2 is represent the relation in diagram. For diagrammatic representation, diagrammatic representation, write the set as Venn diagram here, that is A and this is B, relation from A to B, right here R. Okay, right here R. So this is 1 3 4 5 2 3 4. So 1 is related to 3, make arrow mark. 3 is related to 3, 4 is related to 2, and 4 is related to 4, 5 is related to 3. This is the diagrammatic representation of the relation. This is the diagrammatic representation of the relation. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation of the relation. 1 is related to 3, so 1 arrow, draw arrow from 1 to 3 and 3 to 3, 4 to 2, 4 to 4, 5 to 3. This is the diagrammatic representation of the relation. Okay. Now note, if x comma y belongs to R, then we can write, we can say x is related, x is related to y and written as x r y. Okay, now image, pre-image, image and pre-image. If x comma y belongs to R, then y is image of x, then y is image of x and x is pre-image of y. Clear? X, y is image of x, this is x, image of x, and x is pre-image of y. Clear? Now domain and range. Domain and range of the relation. What is domain of the relation and what is the range of the relation? Let us discuss. Domain of the relation. Let R be the relation from A to B, then domain of the relation R is equal to the set of first component of the order pair of the relation or relation and denoted by dom R. Also that is dom R is equal to x such that x comma y belongs to R. That is x comma y, x is first component, y is second component. Now range of the relation. Range of the relation is range of R is equal to y such that x comma y belongs to R. That is set of range R is equal to, that is set of second component of order pair. And what is inverse of the relation? What is the inverse of the relation? Inverse of the relation R from A to B. The inverse of the relation R from A to B is, let R from A to B is equal to what? X comma y such that x comma y belongs to A cross B. Then inverse of R is R inverse from B to A, and which is, and R inverse is equal to, here x comma y reverse, take reverse order, that is y comma x belongs to, such that x comma y belongs to R. Its meaning is if xy belongs to R, then yx belongs to R inverse. This is the inverse of the relation. Now let us do some examples relating to domain, range, and this is inverse of the relation. Now problems are express the following relation from A to B in tabular form, or that is roster form, and I find the domain, range, and inverse of the relation. Okay. First is A equal to n belongs to set of natural numbers such that n less than 10, and V equal to set of natural number. And the relation R is given by x comma y such that x comma y belongs to A cross B such that y is equal to x square. This is the first question of the. Now solution of the first question. Solution of the first question. Solution A is equal to what? N belongs to n such that n less than equal to 10, and B is equal to set of natural number. So what is A here? That is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and B is equal to set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dot 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 dot. The relation R is so that y is equal to x square, okay, and R is equal to x comma y, so belongs to A cross B such that y is equal to x square. Therefore, the relation R is equal to what? Y equal to x. Put if x is equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 4, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 16, x is equal to 5, y equal to 25, x is equal to 6, y equal to 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81, 10, and this is 10, last element of the set A, and this is 100. This is the tabular method of the relation. Now what is domain of the relation? First element. What is domain? Domain means the first elements. Here first element is 1, here first element is 2, here first element equal to 3. So write the first elements of the relation. So dom R is equal to, write the first element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is range R? Range of R, write the second element 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 100. This is range. Now how to find the inverse of the relation? R inverse. Now R inverse. Inverse relation केमिति बाहर करिबा ना relation जति देछि तार ऑर्डर पेयर जो ब्रैकेट कॉमन ब्रैकेट भीतर अछि ताको उल्टे दा कथा. तो R inverse is equal to 1, 1 उल्ट सेम रहबो, 2, 4 अछि 4, 2, then 3, 9 here 9, 3, then 4, 16 here 16, 4, then 5, 25 here reverse is 25, 5, 36, 6, 49, 7, 64, 8, 81, 9, 100, 10. This is the relation of the inverse of the relation. Question number 1 is completed. Now question number 2. Question number 2, that is what? Question number 2 is A equal to B equal to R, set of real number, and the relation f is equal to x comma y such that x square plus y square equal to 1 as well as mod of x minus y is equal to 1. This is the question. So solution of question number 2, that is A is equal to B equal to set of real number, Now, and f is equal to x comma y such that x square plus y square is equal to 1 and mod of x minus y is equal to 1. So, that is f is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. This is the conditions. This is the relation. What is dome f here? Dome f is equal to what? First element minus 1, 0, 1. Range f equal to second element. Same thing here. That is minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. Then R inverse 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Same thing. Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Same thing here. R f inverse, that is f inverse, that is here minus 1, 0. Here if dome f equal to range f, then R is equal to the relation is equal to equivalent to its inverse. The question number 2 is completed. Solution. Now solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3, that is a equal to what? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R is equal to what? R, or as the relation f is equal to x comma y such that 2 divides 3x plus y. 2 divides 3x plus y. That is 3x plus y. Its meaning is 3x plus y divided by 2 is integer. यार meaning डाटा एटा एटा meaning होची तो x बदल रे 2 न्यू 1 न्यू y बदल रे 1 न्यू होची तो f is equal to what? Now this is I will do the top because it's not visible here. So what is here? That is solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3 is solution of question number 3. So a solution of question number 3. So a is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R is equal to, the relation f is equal to what? Relation f is equal to x comma y such that 2 divides 3x plus y. It is the relation. Suppose x is equal to 1, 3 into 1, y equal to 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. So f is equal to what? 1 comma 1. Then 1 comma, if this is 1, 3 plus what? 2. Not, so this is 1, so 3 plus 1, 4 divisible, 3 plus 2 not divisible, 3 plus 3 divisible, so 1, 3, so 1, 5. Now 2, 1, 6 plus not even, so not 2, okay, 2, 3, this is 6, 2, 3 not allowed here, 2, 4, 2, 5 not allowed here. So then 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 3, 1, 9 plus 2 not allowed. So 3, 1, 3, 3 and 3, 5. 3, 5. 80 put kariba x value, y value. Divide by 2 heba darkar. Okay. 3, 5. Then 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Then 4, 2. 4 2, 4 2, 4 4, then 4 4, 4 5 हम कि ना 12, 12 प्लस 5 19 हो जाउछि हबनी एटा होछि टेबुलर मेथड तो आर डोम एफ केते डोम एफ domain of the relation first component 1 first component right the first component only once here one present here 1 is repeated but you should write only once so 1 2 3 4 and range f is equal to what range f equal to second component that is 1 2 3 4 5 r inverse is equal to f inverse is equal to take the reverse order of the relation 1 1 comma 1 1 comma 3 here so 3 comma 1 5 comma 1 2 comma 2 4 comma 2 1 comma 3 3 comma 3 okay 3 comma 3 3 comma 5 here 5 comma 3 5 comma 3 2 comma 4 4 comma 4 so count this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 this is r inverse these are solution of the questions now types of relation from a to b 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 number 1 relation the relation r from a to b is said to be the relation r from a to b is said to be 1 relation 1 relation if different element of set A different element of set A are related to different element of set B. In diagrammatical, suppose set A and suppose set B, and this is R, and this is R, and suppose this is A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Suppose this is 1 relation, 1 to 1 link. Another example, suppose this is R1, A, and this is B, A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. This is also 1. This is suppose R2. This is also 1 relation. Okay. Now this is 1 relation. Now one man relation. Number 2 one man relation. One many relation. Which type? This is suppose this is one man relation. Suppose this is set A and this is B and this is the relation R. One man relation, that is A1, A2, A3. Suppose B1, B2, B3, B4. Suppose one to many relation, one to many. This is one many relation. Suppose this is row. And another example is what? A, B, and this is suppose relation 2. A1, A2, A3, and B1, B2, B3, B4. This is also one man relation. This is also one man relation. This is also one many relation. One many. This is one many. What is the definition of one many relation? The relation R on A is said to be one many relation. The relation R on A is said to be one many relation. One many relation if single element of set A is related to two or more elements of set B. Two or more elements of set B. Example this. Okay. Now many one relation. Third is many one relation. Many one relation. Now we'll discuss about from the examples. This is A and this is B. Suppose this is x1, x2, x3, x4, y1, y2, y3. Suppose this is many to one. This is many to one. This is also, suppose this is relation 1. Another example is here. Suppose this is A and this is B and this is R2. x1, x2, x3, x4, y1, y2, y3. Many to one relation. That is many to one relation. This is also many to one relation. Okay. What is the definition? The relation R from A to B is said to be many one if two or more elements of set A are related to single element of set B. This is the example. Okay. Now many relation. Fourth one is many relation. Fourth one is many relation. The relation R is said to be many. The relation R from A to B is said to be many relation. If it is both one many and many one. For example, this is set A and this is set B. Now this is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, y4. Suppose this is one many relation and this is what? Many one relation. So this relation is called what? Many relation. Now relation from A to A. Relation from A to A. Relation from A to A is equivalent to say or relation on A. Okay, relation on A. Now, what is relation on A? That is the relation R the relation R on A means A to A is subset of A cross A, is subset of A cross A. That is R from A to A to A is subset of A cross A. The smallest note, the smallest relation on A is phi. The smallest relation on A is phi. It is called empty relation. It is called empty relation or void relation. Void relation, which is discussed previous relation. Number 2, the largest relation from A to A. The largest relation on A is A cross A. Now, number of relation on A. Now, the number of relation on A. Number of relation on A. Number of relation on A. That is, if cardinality of A is equal to n, then number 1, number of relation on A is equal to 2 to the power n square. Number of non-empty relation on A is equal to what? 2 to the power n square minus 1. Number of proper relation on A, 2 to the n square minus 1. Number of non-empty proper relation, number of non-empty proper relation on A, 2 to the n square minus 2. This is relation on A or A to A. Clear? These are the fundamentals of the relations. Next class we will discuss about some problems, and after completion we will discuss about the function. Thank you. Have a nice day.